Good morning. It's not the morning anymore. It's 11:30, but today is October 1st, which means one, it's officially like fall/Halloween time. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Which means one, it's officially fall/Halloween time. Two, today is Walt Disney World's anniversary and Epcot's anniversary. I forget how many years exactly. I should know since I'm a super fan, but today is the anniversary of Disney World, and today is my husband and I's 2-year anniversary since we started dating. So if that wasn't a foreshadow that we would be huge Disney fans and go to Disney World every week together, then I don't know what is. So yeah, it was meant to be. Anyway, I'm vlogging today, 2 days after I did my last vlog, because I am home alone again today. Well, not home alone. I am off today from my job, and I am currently home alone, but I don't think I will be all day. But I just wanted to do another vlog, another like studio vlog type thing. Today, my goals are to get all of my Christmas and seasonal stickers live in my shop, at least all the ones that I have designed and formatted so far. I think I will have more to come. I want to do a Patreon post. I don't know what it's going to be yet. I could potentially film a video for my Patreon today, or I could do another product sneak peek, or I was thinking about doing a stationery haul on my Patreon as well. Other thing that is on my to-do list today is what I'm doing right now. It's just doing a good old vlog. And then I also need to upload my last vlog today, because I edited that on Saturday. Yesterday I was off with my husband and we were visiting family all day, but today I am back on the grind. I also want to design a new collection today if I can, or get started on designing a new collection. So if I can get some of that behind the scenes, I will. But yeah, we're just gonna get into this good old vlog, getting back on the grind. Alright, so I'm trying to print and cut these new Christmas stickers, but my printer keeps doing this really annoying thing where it messes up. It's like printing like yellow stuff over my designs, and like, look at this gingerbread man, it looks like poop. And I don't know why, because all my ink levels are fine, and my printer, like, see, some of the designs look perfectly fine, and then some of them just get burned. And I don't know if it's because I don't usually print these type of colors. I don't print a lot of red and a lot of green, so I don't know if my printer's just like, ugh, I don't like these colors, or if it just hates me. So hopefully I can figure this out. I am going to cut this sheet. I'll use it for myself, but yeah, I'm trying to take product photos today, and I can't take a photo of this because nobody's going to want to buy that. So yeah, that's my dilemma right now. Just printed these 2 sheets, and it seems like my printer is having a really hard time with the color red. And I think it's because I'm almost out of black ink on one of my cartridges. And you need a specific amount of black ink for each color, otherwise it won't work. So I think I just have to wait until the black ink runs out until I can print the color red. Or brown, because these gingerbread mints, like, some of them look fine. That one looks absolutely fine. That one looks fine. But some of them just have a bit of green or yellow running through them. So it's really annoying. These trees look fine, but the presents are a little funky. So yeah, but this sheet is perfect. So I don't know what's going on. I've never had issues printing the color red, but that's probably because I don't use red in my work very often. So yeah, that's a little update from me. Just made my thumbnail for my vlog. I had to use an assortment of photos that I took recently because I didn't really have any photos pertaining to the vlog. So these photos are gonna have to work. So, but yeah, I'm going to upload this video now, and then probably work on filming something for my Patreon page. So, yeah. Alright, so I've got my video processing. It's almost done, and what I'm going to do now is work on Patreon related stuff. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to film a video or just do a post. I'm leaning towards a video because I have quite a bit of time today to work on something like that. So I might do a draw with me video or some type of bonus video on my Patreon. But yeah, it's 12:30 now, and I'm going to try to work today for as long as I can, because today my husband gets off of work at 7, which is a while from now, and I want to take up as much of that time as possible to get work done, because tomorrow I work. Wednesday, my husband and I are busy because we have the day off together, and then Thursday and Friday I work. So I won't have until Saturday to do anything really related to my my shop or my YouTube channel at all. So trying to get ahead of the curve a little bit today. That's how Mondays usually are. So yeah, I'm going to just try and think of stuff that I need to do and try to get it all done today and keep myself busy until my husband gets home. So yeah. Alright, so I was in the middle of filming a draw with me video on my iPad, and my camera battery, I charged it but not fully, so it's dead now, but it got enough footage for me to do 2 little doodles. They weren't really big draw with me's, but I can show them to you. These 2 bunnies. This is my only character as of right now, Lola, and I'm doing some Black Friday stickers. So I have this one where she's holding a little sale sign. I think it's pretty cute, and then I have this one where she's in a little dress with a little shopping bag. So that's all I have so far, but I filmed the process of me drawing these 2 little bunnies, and I think that'll do for enough footage to create a whole Patreon video. So if you want to see how I created both of these, you should definitely pledge to my Patreon. It's available for both of my tiers. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video and see if I can get it up today. Alright, so I moved things to my bed, or our bed. I usually end up on our bed at around 3 or 4 every day that I have off, and it's like 4 o'clock now, and got myself a bottle of water and a couple books. I'm currently reading Always Never Yours by Emily Wibberley and Austin Sageman Broca. I've been reading this for like 2 or 3 months, and as you can see, I'm not far into it. I've been in like the worst reading slump, and I think a lot of it has to do with this book. This book is supposed to be like a contemporary romance, and it's supposed to have a lot of Shakespeare references. It's about 2 people in high school who are in a Romeo and Juliet play, and they're supposed to fall in love and blah blah blah. But like, I can't stand any of the characters in this book, and I don't care for the writing, but I was so excited when this book came out because I thought I was going to love it, because I love anything Shakespeare, and I thought it was going to be so cute, and I was really excited to read this, and it's completely let me down. I'm so determined to finish it though, even though it's like kind of torturing me. So this is the book that's kind of ruined my reading game for like the last 3 months, pretty much the whole summer. But I decided today that it's time to start a new book because a while ago I was able to read multiple books at a time and do just fine at it if they were different enough books. So today I decided that after a long time, I read A Court of Thorns and Roses probably like a year or over a year ago. So today I am going to start A Court of Mist and Fury. I have never read this. I've only read the first book in this series, and I thought it was about time to continue. It's a hefty book, but these things are so easy to read. Like, the reading material is very easy to digest, so I'm not intimidated by the size of that book at all. But I'm going to continue to read this probably chapter by chapter, see if I can get through it. If I get through like another 50 pages and I'm still really not enjoying it, I'm probably gonna DNF it, which is so disappointing because like the last book before this that I was trying to read, I also DNF'd because it just was not good. So yeah, I'm going to lay in my cozy bed and read for a bit, and I'm also probably going to catch up on some YouTube on my iPad. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm not in the right headspace to continue designing today, so I'm just gonna call it a day and just relax until my husband gets home, and then tonight we're actually gonna go out for our anniversary. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you would like more of these. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.